That is cold.
Not too cold. Look, what was that? What did I just touch? I thought I touched something.
Yeah.
It was scary.
Look, guys. Wesley.
Like the perfect size wave. Whoa! No, not it. Not the right way. Whoa! Look at it. Oh my God!
Wesley's like, I'm good right here. Come here, Bubba. You want me to hold you?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
I wonder what the...
Watch this.
Good job.
Shark's tooth. We can buy shark tooth.
No, that's just a shell. Shark's teeth are black usually.
Whoa.
That was a seagull that flew pretty close, wasn't it? If you dig where the bubbles are, Bubba, remember what you find? You find the little buggies. The little sea buggies. Or sand buggies, whatever you call them. See if we can find our crab friend. That was neat. I love you. Do you know I love you?
Whoa.
Daddy and Sissy are way out there. Look at them. Bubba, they're way out there. Yeah.
And why is that there?
I don't know. I think it's a boat. Are you happy we're at the beach? I love you. Give me a kiss. I just gave you one. Goofball.
I can't.
Chris.
Did you?
It was coming. I saw something moving. I'm like, what is that?
No, don't do that.
So you see dolphins, Kenzie? Are we sure they're dolphins?
Yeah. I saw a dolphin. Oh.
I saw something out there, but I could. Are you sure it wasn't just a fish? What I looked like could have been a fish or a bird going down to get a fish. You know?
Whoa. I can't stand when it does that. Seriously, I go like this. Yeah. I go up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. Wait. Wow. Wait, under this.
Are y'all having fun at the beach?
It's smashed. No. That's it, but they just go back up. No, was it? Only sponge on my factory was on. Oh. So I never watched that. I come back.
What did Daddy do?
But there will be sharks. Not under the two them.
Honey, we'll go out there. I promise. We're gonna be here.
We're gonna be here for a long time,
a
honey.
long time, okay?
It's probably gonna be
You can sit right there by the water, yes, but don't go like really far.
Daddy, I want you to be wide enough that I can stand.
You want to? I'll come sit with you.
Yeah. Are you videoing?
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah. We're gonna go sit on the. We're not on the.
Do you see that? What is that, Kenzie?
It's a starfish. It's alive.
I don't know. I can't tell. I don't want to touch it. I don't know if they're like.
It's so cool.
I know. Oh, there's a dead crab. That is cool.
Go back for that crab.
Where's Daddy and Bubba? It's moving, Kenzie. I think it's moving. It's moving too. It's alive.
Save it.
Look, it's alive.
Save it though.
Come look at it. See if you can watch its tentacles moving underneath. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to jump out and hurt you.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
And a dead crab.
It's alive.
Dead crab.
Because it was not, it's moving positions. It was not in that
Look,
position.
it's a
a
dead
second
crab.
ago.
Yeah, look at it moving.
Oh, look at it. See it moving?
Dad, look. See?
Yeah,
Should we
see
put
what
it back?
this
Is it
does.
going to, do they hurt if you, when they're alive?
I don't know.
Well, I know, but I feel like we should put it back in the water. It's going to die if we don't put it. Isn't that why you find them? Because they're dried up? You don't want to try? Go get a shovel.
Bubba, go run and grab the shovel real quick.
I just came.
You go
Here,
get
I'll
the
go get it.
shovel. Okay.
All right.
Wait, the trying.
There you go. Splash water on it. Kenzie, so you don't like accidentally stab it or something.
Yeah.
See? He's going to get it and he'll put it in the water. That is so cool.
Bye bye, starfish.
Whoop!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Where'd it go? There, right there. Now it's upside down.
Oh.
There it goes in the water. We saved the starfish. Right here's the best place to look for shark's teeth, though, isn't it?
Dad.
What were you pointing at? Y'all just be careful out there, please. Y'all need to be holding someone's hand if y'all go too far out there.
Wait.
What are you doing, goofball?
I.
Are you standing up? Until that, oh! It's okay, honey, it's okay. He freaked for a minute. His face went from happy to, oh crap.
Alright, it's not nearly as deep here.
Yeah, go over this way. Or if you guys want, we can go sit over by on the sandbar.
I really wish we got our swim vests.
Well, honey, and this water, that can actually be more dangerous because the current can carry you easily. Okay, we'll start here.
I couldn't move for a second. Like, I was like.
Big wave, Bubba, big wave.
I couldn't talk for a second.
He's trying to sneak up on me. This is a good spot to sit right here.
Mom, did you see those big waves I surfed?
Yeah, it was awesome, babe.
I want to
Go play in the pool with Bubba for a little bit. Are you enjoying yourself, honey?
See all the dirt I'm throwing up?
I know. There's a fishy. Did you see a fish? I know. Are you comfortable? Okay, come here. Get in with Sissy?
Here, right there.
Just do one right here where I'm sitting.
No, except for water and dirt.
No. Stop. Please stop.
Hold your breath.
Guys, if you do this under the water.
Do this under the water in the sand and it'll make your own.
That's how I made a hole. Do this. And the waves will carry all the sand. See? The waves are carrying all the dirt away.
Whoa! Let's do it. Come on. Make it deeper.
What are y'all doing?
Nothing? I fought in the water.
It's gross, Bubba.
I fought it.
You're gross.
I think there'd be a bunch of them in here. That's fine. Go ahead and steal my thunder.
Look,
Whoa!
it's a sand bug.
Sandbug!
Look at it moving.
Should I hold it? I'm not sure. Hold it.
If you get a bunch of sand in your hand, it'll dig down in your hand. Like it'll dig down in the sand.
No, man. No.
All right, now watch.
Wait.
You feel it? Okay, don't drop it. No! It's right there.
I'm tickled.
Do you see it moving?
Oh, whoa.
He's like, yeah, whatever.
What'd you freak out for, Kenzie?
She's like,
It tickled me. I'm going to make the little home for it.
you ready?
I'm warning you, it will tickle.
It tickles. Are you ready?
Okay.
There it is, right there. See? I got it right here.
Yes, it does.
Now say goodbye.
Say bye-bye.
Wait, I want to touch it.
Whoa. Well, okay.
Wave.
That guy's got a good idea. Let's put a stereo on my bike. A little something on your back. Don't put it on my back. Are you surfing waves? There's a big one. Surf it, Bubba, surf it.